Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetiani nga. Hindi ka jingiaid ka jong ayapi. Kanam kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyugan lang katway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news po ah. Try kerkuy vi ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.
Menteri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma haga khat saw trik nai tung ula Shong bishar halor ka jingiaid jungi project jingtei paper haniu Shillong township da ka babatha iki agency ki penteri kam bakin khmi penteri bha yak kam ban penthik na yak jing shngan bat ban pen state yak kam nang ban la ban pyndep ha ka bor balabu haringkat ka jingsen ran lang da ki he officer ka jela Menteri rangba ulale jurip yak secretariat kompleks Batumai ka badang don ha ka jing penteri ka Unity Mall ka sports complex ha Sauli na luar ki wepat ki jing penteri ki badang nyat haning Shillong township haba bishar ka jing nyat jo ka jing penteri ka secretariat kompleks ukonrat ula ong bakani ka project kanwan ra lang ya barok kitanat sarkar bo per hapo ko we ka tunum kan pen klan ni ka jingat lang ka jingla bantre kam bha bat ka rukam senshar ka ba phai khmat se pai ba hadin ba kala tre kam
Here one of the better rooms. So it is 320 square feet and this is the support staff. So now this is how they go. So their main chamber instead of 320 it becomes 450 square feet, 470. And they have their seating here, they have toilet, pantry and a lounge. Yeah, very good. Quite big, 75 square. In the original plan that they have made it is almost 135 square. So now we are reducing 135 to 70. That saves us a lot of space to accommodate more. But then the good thing is we are giving. So there's a meeting area, there is everything, support staff, and there is a full lounge here. And more staff will sit here. This we make as the cabinet. So here is the cabinet room with 50 seater. You can just walk into the cabinet room. And again there is all these waiting areas. So above this also there is one more. Where is that? Above the CM floor, we have this space. Initially we thought this is the cabinet room, but this is very big. So this we want to make as a integrated control and command center.
Yeah, feel also if we can have some small conference.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Because you know if all departments keep having their meetings, they should have space. But it will be in the second ring also. There will be a conference room.
Yes. So in this floor, this is the 5th floor.
Also, you put the cabin that's at the back.
Which one, sir?
The cabin is at the back.
Yes. So the cabin, you look that side. No, basically you are sitting here.
Yeah.
You are sitting here. You look this side only. But we are there in every department. So this is the kind of open floor plan.
It's a lot of lighting. A lot of glass will be there, right? Yeah. This is how the lighting should be. And air should be what we centralized.
So we have completely centralized air conditioning, but all will have windows which can do it. Okay. So that we don't completely, it's not like a 5-star hotel where everything is closed. Your chamber, then this is the 45% one. This we are extending and making it the 60% one. This will be the cabinet. So right opposite the CMC will be the cabinet. And of course, this ring one is including basement 6 floors. Yes, right? So in that 4 floors are done. Casting. Ring 2 is 5 floors. 6 floors. Only 6 floors. In that 3 are done. 4th is done.
Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetiani nga. Hindi ka jingiaid ka jong ayapi. Kanam kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyugan lang katway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news po ah. Try kerkuy vi ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.
ula bishar ru ya ka jingiaid jong ka jing penteri ka Unity Mall ka badai ka project pa kongsan ka batmu ban penbyang ya ka jakayo nakabenta ki nong shna bat nong than ki nong than jan nong sengkam sengjam ki self help group bat ki nong penmi mar nakathan kani ka project lakmi linti pakan kentiu yi kam khayi pateng ki kam jungok kai bat ki lat kamai ka ji
March. But PM is coming to inaugurate.
So this AB will complete by.
Because PM is coming to inaugurate the games. So that's going to be in February.
Also the road section also we have not get the drawings, sir. And some of the blocks are still there pending. The finishing items are there pending with the yet to receive.
They are saying that some of the drawings they did not get.
From the road also we have.
No, that they will get. But can you finish by February? Is what sir is asking.
If we get all the drawings, we will put our full effort. But unless we get all the drawings, we can't commit for that.
Please don't give me excuses. I want this finished in the month of February. I'm entering this. We are inaugurating in February. That's all I know. It's huge.
Huge. तो इसमें तो हम
यहाँ पे लग रहा है छोटा.
ground floor plan.
Hakabaya debat ke Sauli Sports Complex ukon rat ula banjur halur ka jingkut jingmut jong ka sorkar bante ya kemadan nyelek kai kabaya hap kerdan berkiri ke perthei kenang ban sanduri ki sap ki phong jong ki kna yelek kai ke jela bat ban pen klan halur ke jingpen kre ka Meghalaya ban pen long ya ka 39 National Games ka banwan hakani ka jing bishar kam umintri rangba ula batha ya barok ki agency ki ba pentrei ki project bakin pentik na ya ka jinga trelang ka bajan ban but renti eki kindon ban penstat ya ka kam bat ban pentik na ya ka jing bha ban jing shngan jong ki jing tai kini ki project bala pentrei hani Shillong kila bu ya umau nongrim nakabenta ka lawe jong ka Meghalaya ki jing bei tingka hai ki jing tai ki bakat kum ka jok ki jaka yo bat ki madan ye lek kai kin om ya rap ban kin tio tang hakalyang ka senshar khadar Hendrik in pliru ikilan hakalyang ka kamay ka ji ka ay kam ay jam bat kan kin tio ya ka rukam im jong ki briw ki jongi ong ukon rat